Affiliate marketing techniques and strategies that work. Affiliate marketing can be a lucrative venture for anyone who takes the time to learn the ins and outs of the trade. From website development to SEO techniques, there are many factors to take into account when developing your business. The following tips will help you find out what strategies to employ and which ones to avoid in order to become a successful affiliate marketer. When selecting an affiliate marketing program, look for generous commission programs. You should be receiving at least 20 to 50% of the profit on each item that you sell. Your value to the company and the product that you are promoting should outweigh the desire for the company to scrape a few more pennies out of your commission. Success in affiliate marketing will never be achieved by putting a million banners up all on one site. Choose your banners carefully and keep your site clutter-free. Too many banners can make your site feel overwhelming to a user, making them less likely to click on any banners or become repeat visitors. Affiliate marketing and SEO go hand in hand, you can't have one without the other. Once you join an affiliate marketing program, determine the best keywords that will drive potential buyers to your site. Making your site easy to find and highly relevant to the product you're advertising will translate into more click-throughs and more conversions. If you have a website for your business, your domain name should be on everything that you own. Use your own personal vehicle, t-shirts, stationery, email signature and more, to constantly put the name of your website out there. Constant reminders will stick in people's heads and make them want to look it up. Developing a successful affiliate marketing business takes time, skill, knowledge and patience. The rewards can be great if you are a dedicated and informed internet marketer. The above tips are designed to provide you with the information you need to build and maintain a profitable and flourishing affiliate marketing website. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google Indie ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.